Twak mar adek manokelo kanyakla migawo mar arita kod riwruok mar European Union ne obedo mar medo lony kendo kedo kod lwenje mitimo kokalo e mbui ma pachoka kod pinje mamoko mag Afrika. Jagoro mongirore e migawo mar arita Dr. Raymond Omolo ne oyango medruok mar lony e teknolojia mamalo e piny Kenya. Oywago pek ma piny Kenya kale e kedo kod lwenje mag mbui, komedo ni pinje mag Afrika wito bilion 40 ka higa kendo ijiwo jodak ma pachoka mondo ritre e yo makare mar mbui. Bende omedo ni chenro mag mbui ni malo ka sirikal chwalo chenro maromo gana 22 e mbui.
Like cyber threats. Last week, for almost half a day, if you remember, we had denial of services across various ministries. 2 years ago, for almost 48 hours, there was a similar challenge with access to the e-citizen portal. And we are constantly looking at ways in which we minimize some of these threats.
This particular aspect is to equip the judicial officers, judges and magistrates with knowledge about the content of cybercrime law and also knowledge on how to handle electronic evidence. Unless judges are properly equipped, they are unlikely to render justice in the manner expected because of the complexity of the crimes we are talking about here.
And the need for capacity building for criminal justice authorities. That's why we are organizing such events, but we also engage with the countries from Africa, and not only in assisting in capacity building, in legislation. We start with the legislation. We mentioned in the opening the Budapest Convention. It has been mentioned also by the Principal Secretary. It's the main instrument at the international level for standards, legislative standards on cybercrime.